You're broke! You're fucking poor! If you're broke, if you're not a millionaire, the last thing you should be doing with your time is cooking. I can't think of a lower ROI activity than walking to the fridge, getting out some ingredients. Ooh, an onion. Oh, let me get the onion. I'm gonna start cooking. Cut my onion? Stop to cut my onion. You're broke! You're fucking poor! You can get rotisserie chicken for $5. Boom. Chicken, bang, eat, bang, back to work. You can fucking do a million things. You can go for a run. You can get in shape. The time you spent cooking, if you dedicated to kickboxing, you could have got paid from kickboxing or piano. You could fucking be a traveling piano man with the time you wasted cutting fucking onions. If you're broke, there is zero reason why you should ever prepare a meal. I'm sitting there, my friend's cooking his meal, and I start telling him, you're a jackass, you're gonna be poor forever. What do you mean? Because you're cooking. So, well, everyone cooks. Everyone's broke! Doesn't that prove me right? That proves me totally right. I can't think of anything more stupid for a man to do, so wait to ask yourself this question. Are you broke? Yes. Do you cook? Probably. Do you not see the problem here? That is a complete waste of your human time.